I'm Fabian Vogelsteller. I'm a developer for the Ethereum project. I'm working with the Ethereum Foundation since 2.5 years or a bit more. And I'm building the Mist browser. And the Mist browser is basically the first fully decentralized browser, which is not for browsing the old web we know, but for browsing decentralized applications. And decentralized applications are applications where each part doesn't require any trust. And this, for example, means that all the components executing the logic, for example, all the files served to your computer coming from a source where you don't need to trust the middleman or the server or the hoster or the internet provider whatsoever. So Ethereum is initially an idea from Vitalik Buterin, who is I think 22-year-old now, Russian Canadian, and he basically came up with the idea. Then others came in to implement the idea in multiple programming languages, and since then the network basically evolved over time. It started in end of July 2014, if I remember right. And since then it is running. It is comparable to Bitcoin, so it is a blockchain, it is its own network like Bitcoin, but it is a network which not only allows to transfer money, but allows to execute code. And this means you can actually execute all kind of logic having the same properties a blockchain has. And this is immutability, so things which are deployed when they will execute and run the way they are deployed. So there's no authority who can change it, except there's an agreement of everybody, or most of the people. It's transparent. Basically everybody can see what logic runs, what is the current state of things, what's the current truth. And these kind of codes you deploy there, these code modules, so to say, they are commonly known as smart contracts. And smart contracts this is basically the term you hear today a lot about blockchain, smart contracts, and Bitcoin is probably mentioned too.